In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change JBL 770NC earpads. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Replacing the earpads on this particular JBL headphone model is extremely simple. So all that you have to do is then use any sort of tool that is able to slide in between this part here, and they can be easily removed. So like I said before, you will need to slide a tool in this hole here, so where the earpads connect to the casing of the earphones. So it doesn't matter which tool it is as long as you are able to get it over here. What I recommend that you do is that you circle it all around this area. So go up, go down, and wiggle it gently. Eventually, all of these latches will undo themselves, and you will be able to remove the earpads, so they will come right off. When you want to insert a new one, you simply line them up with these notches here, and they will clip the new set of earpads into position. There is no secret to this. It is extremely simple. Anyone can do it, and you don't need any sort of specialized tool. Anything that you can pry in between, like a butter knife or a pry tool, is going to work. So gently insert the tool between the earpad and the headphone housing and carefully pry around the perimeter to release the earpad. Now, once you want to install new ones, like I said before, it's going to be as simple as hooking them with these small plastic hooks. So as long as you align them properly and you press down, the hooks will put themselves in place, holding them firmly. So align the new earpads with the correct side, left or right, and press them firmly into place until they click into the housing. You can buy all sorts of replacements. Some of them might be easier to breathe, some of them might circulate more air, they might affect sound quality, and you can choose which material you want. Before I end, I want to highlight something I noticed when I went to check the channel metrics. 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you will be helping us bring the best solutions to your problems, including this video, so consider subscribing. It helps us a lot. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.